Hi, my name is Tina and I work at the St. John Free Public Library, and today we're going to nuke some soap. Nope, this is not for mealtime. Believe it or not, this is to enjoy some aspects of science. First off though, we have ivory soap and we have a competitor, and we have to figure out why are we taking the ivory soap and placing this one in the microwave. Let's have a look. Any guesses what's going to happen when I put them both in water? No? You want to see? Okay. Competitor. Ivory. All right. Clearly, ivory floats, and this is probably going to make a difference. This one is less dense. It has lots and lots of air bubbles in it, making it less dense than water, allowing it to float. This one is more dense and it sinks. We're going to be using ivory because it has more bubbles, lots and lots of bubbles. So you ready? We're going to be taking it to the microwave and see what happens. Oh, should let you know though, this is not for eating. You don't put other things in the microwave. Coming? Ready? All right. Are you still there? Okay. You're coming? Okay. Ready? This is the microwave, and again, nothing else goes in the microwave at the moment except this soap. But we're going to put it on something, because I think, as you know, when food goes over the edge and everything else, it can get pretty messy in there once we turn it on. So let's put it on a plate, open the microwave. Got that? It's on there. Soap's on the plate. Door's closed. In this case, we're going to nuke it or cook it for 2 minutes. I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Something happening in there? Oh, something's happened to the soap. It looks a little fluffy. I'm not sure I'd want to eat it on a regular day, let alone fluffy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's going to be hot, remember, so don't, as much as you want to reach in there and touch it right away, please don't. It's going to be hot. Kind of looks like Kleenex or massive toilet paper. And let's see, I'm going to reach in carefully and just touch the plate, not the soap, and see if I can bring it out. Yep, it's okay. Look at that. Isn't that cool? All right. Ooh. It looks fluffy, but it's really quite, it's, I don't want to use the word crusty, but it's very, very light and airy. And it's actually, right now, it seems like it's deflating. So, very cool. So we've just nuked the soap.